Kaivac offers a variety of restroom cleaning alternatives that fit virtually any restroom or budget on the planet. No matter the size or construction of the restroom, Kaivac can deliver cost-effective, hygienic results. In this video, we'll walk through Kaivac's basic process for cleaning a restroom using the OmniFlex line of equipment. This easy process gets floors, fixtures, and other above-the-floor surfaces clean enough to meet the ISSA clean standard. We'll walk through the process of cleaning a restroom using the letters and the word S.A.V.E.S to make the process easy to understand and remember. Beginning with the letter S, we'll set up the restroom for cleaning. Before we begin cleaning, make sure to put on the appropriate protective equipment such as gloves and safety glasses. To begin, wheel the OmniFlex system to the restroom and place wet floor signs at the restroom entrance. Now, make your way through the restroom and resupply soap, paper towel, and toilet tissue dispensers as needed. As you go through the restroom, make note of any broken dispensers or other maintenance items that may need to be addressed. Once the dispensers are resupplied, sweep or pick up any large trash or debris that may be on the floor and place it in the trash. Empty trash cans and place new liners in the cans. To minimize space, use Kaivac's vacuum-powered trash compactor to compact trash. Simply connect the compactor wand to the vacuum hose and insert it fully into the trash bag. Seal the bag around the compactor wand with your hand and turn on the vacuum motor to remove air from the trash bag, creating a space-saving compact trash bag. Once the trash has been compacted, grab the bag as low as possible and hold it tightly. Then, turn off the vacuum motor and remove the compactor wand from the bag, keeping a tight grip on the bag as you remove the wand. Now twist and tie off the trash bag and set it aside for pickup. If you have the optional compactor trash can, you can store compacted trash conveniently for later disposal. Insert the compactor wand fully into the center of the trash bag and wrap the bag around the wand to create a tight seal. Hold the bag around the wand and turn on the vacuum to remove air from the bag, creating a space-saving compact trash bag. Once the trash has been compacted, leave the vacuum running and place the compacted bag into the can using the wand to place the bag as far into the trash can as possible. When the bag is fully in the can, turn off the vacuum and remove the compactor wand. When the compactor trash can is full, place the compactor wand into the trash can between the liner and the compacted trash bags. When you insert the wand, place it along one of the ridged sides of the trash can for best results. Now, wrap the outer liner around the compactor wand and turn on the vacuum. When the liner is fully compacted, lift it out of the trash can and grab the liner as low as possible to keep air from re-entering the bag. Turn off the vacuum and remove the wand from the liner. Finally, twist and tie off the compacted trash bag and dispose of it properly. Now, move the trash cans out of the restroom to allow you to clean the floor without obstructions. Finally, flush all toilets and urinals in the restroom. The next letter in the S.A.V.E.S process is A, which stands for Apply Cleaning Solution to Fixtures and Floors. Beginning at the front of the restroom, use a pump-up or trigger sprayer to apply cleaning solution to restroom fixtures, including sinks, urinals, toilets, and any other touch points in the restroom. Work your way from the front of the restroom to the rear, applying cleaning solution to all fixtures. We'll return to the fixtures later in the process to wipe them down. This provides ample dwell time for cleaning solution to work. Next, we'll apply cleaning solution to the floor using the built-in spigot on the OmniFlex system. Return to the OmniFlex and open the spigot on the rear of the system to the max position. For systems equipped with a thumb throttle control, use your thumbs to open the spigot until the indicator is in the max position. When the spigot opens, begin walking the system through the restroom, dispensing cleaning solution across the floor. Be sure to apply enough cleaning solution to cover the entire floor. Work your way through the restroom from front to back. When you reach the restroom entrance, use the spigot handle or throttle control to turn the spigot to the off position and park the system in the restroom doorway to block entrance to the restroom. Now, grab the speed spreader and walk to the rear of the restroom. Use the speed spreader to spread cleaning solution across the entire surface of the floor. For best results, grip the top of the speed spreader handle with one hand and keep a loose grip on the bend in the handle with your other hand. This will allow you to move the speed spreader quickly and easily while spreading the cleaning solution. Walk backwards while spreading the cleaning solution across the floor and work your way back to the OmniFlex system. When you reach the system, tap the spreader on the floor to loosen any debris and place it back on the cart. If your system is equipped with a drip tray, place the speed spreader into the drip tray and attach the clip to the vacuum tank. Now that the cleaning solution has been spread, we're ready to move to the next letter in the process. V stands for vacuum and area around the cart. If you are using a corded OmniFlex system, be sure the unit is plugged into a receptacle and that the GFCI is lit. For battery-powered systems, ensure that the vacuum is plugged into the battery. Connect the vacuum wand to the vacuum hose and leave the vacuum hose wrapped on the system for now. Turn on the vacuum and vacuum an area around the OmniFlex system to provide a clean, dry surface to lay the hose. Be sure to vacuum a large enough area to ensure that the hose will remain clean and dry. E stands for extract cleaning solution off the floor. With the vacuum still running, begin extracting cleaning solution from the floor, working your way from the OmniFlex system to the rear of the restroom. For best results, vacuum at an angle to the grout lines. When vacuuming along walls, use the side of the vacuum head rather than the front. This will provide the best vacuum removal. The vacuum wand can be easily lowered to vacuum under fixtures and stalls and is easily maneuvered around fixtures. If you encounter stubborn soils, flip the vacuum head so the brushes are on the floor and scrub the problem area to loosen soils. Pay particular attention to the areas around toilets, urinals, and sinks. The more frequently the restroom is cleaned, the less time will be needed scrubbing these problem areas. When all cleaning solution has been extracted from the floor, turn the wand upside down and give it a few taps to loosen any liquid or debris that may be caught in the vacuum wand. Return to the OmniFlex and disconnect the wand from the vacuum hose. Wrap the hose back onto the system, making sure to leave the vacuum running to avoid spilling any cleaning solution that may still be loose in the hose. If your system is equipped with a hose catch tray, place the end of the hose in the catch tray to catch any drips. Once the hose is wrapped on the system, turn off the vacuum and place the vacuum wand back onto the system. If your system is equipped with a drip tray, place the end of the vacuum wand into the drip tray and use the clip on the vac wand to secure it to the vacuum tank. The S in S.A.V.E.S stands for Smart Towel. This patented microfiber towel is the key to preventing cross-contamination and meeting the ISSA clean standards on above-the-floor surfaces. We'll use a dry microfiber smart towel to wipe and dry the fixtures and touch points we applied cleaning solution to earlier. Using the dry microfiber, we'll scour soils, buff the porcelain, and absorb by capillary action the soiled cleaning solution far better than using microfiber wet. In addition, the numbered panels will help prevent cross-contamination from fixture to fixture. Starting at the front of the restroom, wipe the fixtures with a clean, dry smart towel. fold the towel to panel 1 and begin wiping fixtures dry, wiping touch points such as faucet handles and dispensers first, and then wipe the sink from top to bottom. Flip the smart towel to panel 2 and move to the next fixture and repeat the process until all fixtures and touch points have been cleaned. Use one panel of the smart towel per fixture to help minimize cross-contamination. When you reach a toilet or urinal, use a fresh panel on the smart towel to wipe flush handles and chrome fixtures. Then, working from the top to bottom, wipe the outside of the toilet or urinal, toilet seat, and toilet bowl. Use a bowl brush or Johnny Mop to clean the inside of urinals and toilets. The smart towel has 8 total panels, allowing you to clean 8 fixtures or surfaces. If you use all 8 panels, grab a clean, dry smart towel to continue cleaning. This will help reduce cross-contamination. When all fixtures and touch points have been wiped dry, place all tools and wet floor signs back onto the system and proceed to the next restroom to be cleaned.